Hello everyone, Paul here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an essential tool for businesses, our OFAC search feature. First off, what is OFAC? It stands for the Office of the Foreign Asset Control, part of the US Treasury Department. Checking OFAC lists ensures compliance with regulations and help businesses to avoid financial transactions with restricted parties. Please note that this search is available in API. You can download the documentation by navigating to APIs, Investigate People API, and select Terrorist Watchlist, and then simply click Get API Documentation. For one-at-a-time online searches, navigate to Find People tab, then select OFAC Search. Next, enter the first name, last name, date of birth, city and state of the subject you want to check against the OFAC list. Then click the Search Now button. Once the search is complete, you'll receive a detailed report. This report will include personal details of the subject and the reason for being on the list, offenses, arrest warrants, people linked with, file date. Conducting regular OFAC searches is vital for compliance and risk management and business operations. Thank you for watching for today's tutorial on OFAC search.